interested, I have these two books about the Maltese language. They can be bought or from Amazon, or I can send them via email as an ebook. In the description you will find, I will leave a link from where you can get them. Thank you. Did you know that a large part of the Maltese language comes from Arabic? In this video, we'll explore common Maltese words that have Arabic roots, words you use every day without even realizing it. From dar, house, to alp, heart, you'll discover the hidden Semitic side of our beautiful language. Dar, house. Id-dar tiegħi hija kbira. My house is big. Bib, door. Għala il-bib jekk jogħġbok. Close the door, please. Xemx, sun. Ix-xemx illum hija sħuna ħafna. The sun is very hot today. Qamar, moon. Il-qamar jinsab fis-sema. The moon is in the sky. Ilma, water. Nixrob ħafna ilma kuljum. I drink a lot of water every day. Qalb, heart. Għandi qalbi tajba. I have a kind heart. Kelb, dog. Il-kelb tiegħi jismu Rex. My dog's name is Rex. Hops, bread. Nixtri hops frisk kuljum. I buy fresh bread every day. Jum, day. Kuljum nitgħallem kelma ġdida. Every day I learn a new word. Tkellem, spoke. U tkellem ma' sħabi. He spoke to my friends. Baħar, sea. Il-baħar f'Malta hu sabiħ ħafna. The sea in Malta is very beautiful. Nar, fire. In-nar jaħraq ħafna. Fire burns a lot. Ferħan, happy. Illum jien ferħan ħafna. Today I'm very happy. Ħuta, fish. Il-ħuta tinsab fil-baħar. The fish is in the sea. Xita, rain. Ix-xita nieżla bil-qawwa. The rain is falling heavily. Raqat, slept. Raqat kmieni l-lejl li għadda. He slept early last night. Ħniena, mercy. Alla għandu ħafna ħniena. God has great mercy. Sabiħ, beautiful. Il-festa kienet sabiħa ħafna. The feast was very beautiful. Sajf, summer. Is-sajf f'Malta u sħun iżda sabiħ. Summer in Malta is hot but beautiful. So as you can see, many Maltese words come from Arabic, and that's what makes our language so unique, a mix of East and West. In the next video, we'll explore the Italian side of Maltese. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you learned something new today. Grazzi ħafna u narakom dal-waqt.